Hey there, Roger Burnley here, and I've been a vocal coach for more than 25 years, helping people to sing better with my exercises. And on this one, what we're going to talk about is falsetto, how to sing falsetto a little better. Now, understand, falsetto, a lot of people use the terminology a little bit differently, but basically it means those really higher notes that you might be able to get in your range. The problem is that a lot of people will start to push to try to get up there, to try to hit those notes, and you don't want that. You want to let your chords do it. What happens is there's a release that happens. Ah, ah. See how I just let that go? Ah, ah. That's now getting more into what could be considered a little bit of my head voice, or as I go higher, a little falsetto. So what I'm going to do to give you an idea of how you can start to work with it and get comfortable with it, and this is a kind of a challenging exercise, so give yourself time on this one to get it down. Okay. So I'm doing a little deliberate release there. Because I don't want to form the habit where I'm starting to push to try to get there. So I'm going to go back and do just a tiny bit of it. I'm exaggerating what I want you to do, which is that that little release there. Now what I'm using is a horrible sound on an because it tries to go back in your throat. So keep your mouth closed, then change around the sounds. Do different ones. Now do it on an A. Same action. As you practice it more, you won't even need that little break there. You'll be able to connect it. Hey, where you're getting those higher notes. And so over time, you're going to develop your ability to be able to use those falsetto notes in a safe way, meaning that you're not going to end up causing damage down the road. All right, see you soon. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, and you'd like a free singing workout that's going to give your voice more vocal range, better tone, and much more freedom, click this button right here, and I'll take you to a page where you can get your copy emailed to you for free. And if you're on your mobile device, you might not be able to click the button, so instead, click the link in the description to get the free workout. And as always, like, comment, let me know if there are any questions you have or anything you'd like to see in these videos. And don't forget to subscribe to Singing Made Simple, as there are a lot more videos on the way.